At Mitotec Precision, quality is paramount, and with our Zeiss Coordinate Measuring Machine, or CMM, we can measure features such as true position, profile of a surface, and symmetry, measurements that would otherwise be impossible to capture without the use of a CMM. Whether it is a first article setup capability or ongoing process control, we can track, capture, and certify to your requirements. We're able to probe the datum points and then measure the features in relationship to those datum points to make sure we're holding to tolerances and the consistency that you require. The CMM is certified to measure down to half a micron or 40 millionths of an inch, and we have probes down to 2 millimeters or 7/9/10 of an inch, which allows us to get into exceptionally small features and locations on parts. Another great tool we have at our disposal is our QC Calc software, which tracks and stores data from one production run to the next, so we always have the control charts for each process. We're able to see how one production run compares to another, even though they may not follow one another. Any machine shop can make your parts, but at Mitotec Precision, quality, thoroughness, accuracy, and yes, precision are what matters most to us. We don't make just any old part. We're in the business of making parts that matter.